This is where you will manage your vehicle inventory. At the top here, you'll see two categories, Inventory and Transactions. Under the Inventory tab is where you will find all of your existing vehicles. You'll see all your basic info such as make, model, trim, stock number, and your current sales price. By clicking on the vehicle, this window will pop up with a more detailed description. You can find your VIN, purchase date, vehicle description, and all associated photos. By switching to the Transactions tab, you will see the history of your vehicle sales. This is all the information you will need to know regarding your past sales and customers. You can view the customer details, email, and phone number. Find an exact vehicle or customer by typing in the search field. In the Status column, you can see the current status of any particular piece of inventory. You are able to change and edit these at any time. Setting your status as Active will publish the car onto the HeyAuto platform. The Paused status will temporarily remove your listing from the site. In Transit can be used when the new piece of inventory is currently being delivered to or from your dealership, causing it to be temporarily removed as an active listing. Setting your status to Pending can be used when you have a customer that is interested or has connected with you on a vehicle. This will leave the vehicle active on the site until the sale has been completed. This will make it so no other sales member can come and possibly sell the vehicle to someone else. Finally, we have the Sold status. Once you have completed a sale, you can set your status to Sold, and this will move your inventory to the Transaction tab while removing it from the site. We will keep a record of the sale, customer, and sales price in the Transactions tab. By clicking the Statistics button, a screen showing you all the impressions this vehicle has made on the public will pop up. You can also see how many times people have favorited and how many messages or calls you have received about this specific vehicle. Clicking Edit will give you access to change, update, and modify your vehicle listing with complete control. You can now add or rearrange photos, edit the description, or update the pricing information. Once you updated your listing, you can preview your VDP. Note that you will need to click Save or Publish for any changes to take effect. Preview is an overview look of how your VDP will display in the HeyAuto marketplace. You can see all photos, descriptions, highlights, and included equipment as the customer will see it. Next up, let's explore adding a vehicle. While the bulk of your inventory will be preloaded from a CSV file shared from syndication providers, you also have the option to manually add a vehicle to your database. Start by clicking Add Vehicle. First, you will need to input the VIN and click Decode VIN. This will populate the field below with the matching information. Step 1. You will need to select New or Used and provide a stock number you'd like associated with the vehicle. You also must include the current mileage on the car. Select the trim model, add your interior and exterior color, and type of transmission. Step 2. Clicking Upload Images will allow you to add photos and select the order in which you would like them to be displayed. Step 3. The Add Features section is where you can select the features or add-ons this particular vehicle has and will be displayed on the VDP on the marketplace. Step 4. Input your vehicle cost under Vehicle Price and the MSRP. Step 5. Finally, in the vehicle sales price is the price you are selling your vehicle for and the number to be displayed on the marketplace. You can now view your listing by clicking Preview. This is a display of how your vehicle will look on the marketplace. Also, make sure you don't forget to save your information. When you are ready to put this car on the marketplace, click the Publish button. This will complete the VDP listing and add it to your live, on-site vehicle inventory.